Axie boundlessness value sort of equivalent to $8.0360 a coin in a kind of significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 7.93898.0460 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 7.9870. The change in a real sense was plus 0.0490, plus 0.61%, which generally is genuinely huge. Backwards rate, USD to Axie in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month in a genuinely significant manner. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $8.03, really greatest 8.59, certainly least 7.47, or so they explicitly thought. Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.17, truly most extreme 8.74, truly least 7.60, which sort of is very critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $7.96, especially most extreme 8.52, sort of least 7.40 in an all things considered significant way. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost $8.11, greatest 8.68, by and large least 7.54 in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $8.05, really most extreme 8.61, sort of least 7.49, or so they thought. In multi-week Axie vastness figure on Monday, May 8, cost $7.89, most extreme 8.44, by and large least 7.34 in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $8.06, for the most part greatest 8.62, certainly least 7.50 incredibly. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.78, especially greatest 8.32, especially least 7.24, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.57, exceptionally greatest 8.10, sort of least 7.04 and in every practical sense, significant way. Axie endlessness estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $6.81, kind of greatest 7.29, kind of least 6.33, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $6.82, genuinely greatest 7.30, sort of least 6.34, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $6.91, truly greatest 7.39, extremely least 6.43. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $7.07, beautiful greatest 7.56, especially least 6.58, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.06, especially most extreme 7.55, exceptionally least 6.57 in a by and large significant manner. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $7.27, genuinely greatest 7.78, really least 6.76, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $7.43, kind of greatest 7.95, for the most part least 6.91, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $7.36, most extreme 7.88, least 6.84 and in every practical sense, enormous way. Axie boundlessness figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $7.38, essentially most extreme 7.90, exceptionally least 6.86, showing how the earlier day close. 7.9870 in a fundamentally large way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $7.55, greatest 8.08, fundamentally least 7.02, showing how Axie endlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.78, by and large most extreme 8.32, certainly least 7.24, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness figure on Friday, May 26, cost $7.52, kind of greatest 8.05, least 6.99, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. In about a month, Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $7.28, especially most extreme $7.79, by and large least $6.77, or so they explicitly thought. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $7.49, especially greatest $8.01, most certainly least $6.97, which really is genuinely critical. USD to Axie conversion scale truly equivalent to 0.1244 coins per $1, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 0.1243 minus 0.1260, or so they sort of thought. The past day, S nearby 0.1252, which fundamentally is very critical. Change for now 0.0008, 0.64%, which in every practical sense is very huge. USD to Axie cost gauge for in the not-so-distant future in month in a genuinely significant manner. Dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost 0.125 coins, especially greatest 0.134, really least 0.116 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.122 coins, truly most extreme 0.132, in every practical sense, least 0.114, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $8.05, genuinely greatest 8.61, certainly least 7.49, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.126 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.135, sort of least 0.117 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.123 coins, especially most extreme 0.133 in every way that really matters, least 0.115, which especially is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 0.124 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.134, really least 0.116, or so they basically thought. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 0.127 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.136, sort of least 0.118, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.124 coins, kind of greatest 0.133, least 0.116, showing how Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $6.81, sort of most extreme 7.29, least 6.33, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to Axie forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.129 coins, certainly greatest 0.138, genuinely least 0.120, exhibiting that in multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 0.127 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.136, sort of least 0.118, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.132 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.142, certainly least 0.123, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 0.147 coins, kind of most extreme 0.158, lovely least 0.137, exhibiting that in multi-week Axie boundlessness figure